Alright, so today we'll be doing two-step equations. The purpose of two-step equations is to isolate the variable on one side to make sure n is equal to a number. And you do that by subtracting and then dividing. So I'll show you first. You have to subtract 9 from both sides. So we isolate 9 so that we can cross it out. So that leaves you with 9n equals 0. So that's one step of the equation, and it's called two steps because you're supposed to divide by 9. So that n is equal to 0. And that's basically how it is, and it comes in different forms, like parentheses, and that's on each of your problems. There's a different type of example. Sometimes it'll leave you with fractions, but that's perfectly okay. You start with your second problem. So 9x minus 7 equals negative 7. What are you starting with first?
Isolating the variable.
By?
Adding 7 to both sides. I get 9x equals 0.
That's one step, the last step of the problem?
Or by 9. The whole thing.
Yes, correct, you go.
Okay.
15. First step.
We divide. Subtract 4 from each side,
Yes.
and then we get 3x equals to 11.
Mm-hmm.
And I divide 3 by both sides. You get x equals 11 over 3.
Exactly. So in this example, x is 11 over 3. There's nothing else we can do. It can't be simplified anymore. If it was 12 over 3, we could make it to divide by 3, so it would be 4. But it's 11 over 3, so we leave it as that. You don't need mixed numbers. Andrew. So you have 0 equals 4 plus n over 5, first step.
Subtract 4 from both sides.
Yeah. And that leaves you with?
4 equals, negative 4 equals n over 5.
So the next step?
Multiply both sides by 5.
To isolate the variable. And your answer is?
Negative 20 equals n.
Back to you, Hugo. Explain to everybody, and we'll listen.
Wait, the second one, right?
So first read the problem.
Oh yes. Negative 2a plus 5 equals 18. So first we gotta subtract 5 to each side, and then you get negative 2a equals 13.
That's correct. Keep going.
And then you get to divide negative 2 by each side.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Negative numbers.
So, no, that's okay. So we got negative 2a divided by negative 2 to isolate the negative 2 so that the a can be isolated. And so we are cancel this out, so a is equal to negative 13 over 2. The answer wouldn't be a whole number. If it was negative 12 divided by 2, it would be negative 6. But since it's negative 13, it would be negative 6.5. So we're just going to leave it at this, or you can leave it as a decimal to negative 6.5. But it's perfectly fine to leave it as negative 13 over 2, because that's the same answer.
Wait, did you just put the negative right here?
Mm-hmm, because
Why?
if it's on the bottom, it can also go. See, if you had a negative here and a negative here, it would cancel out, and positive. But you only have one negative, so the negative becomes as part of the equation. Anywhere, it would be still negative 13 over 2. So if you were to write this online, it would become negative 13 over 2. For confusion, just put it in the middle.
Oh.
Andrew, your problem tells you what I just taught you.
Go whenever.
When you're ready.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Bet you can't work like me, can't isolate variables like me, can't add and subtract like me.
Can't multiply and divide like me. Bet you can't solve x like me. Can't make sure it's isolated like me.
can add and subtract when you need. Can't check your answer like me. Like yes, I can make sure that the x is on one side.
I can make sure the x is on one side. Like yes, I can add or subtract when I need to. I can multiply with divide when I need to.
Like yes, even if the answer is fraction, even if I check all my answers the same, put the variable on one side, the number on the next.
Make sure the number in front of the x is equal to 1. Look at the left of the equation.